It's amazing to me that you're there when I call. Your presence floods into my soul. The love that I feel makes me fall on my knees and ask you to make me whole. Before, when I had not the courage to speak, you dragged me in from the cold. I gave myself over to God for my life. God's light makes me able to know. I place my hands in yours. Your light shone from above. In the sadness of my past,